Only 1% of students can solve all the questions in this video correctly. Are you one of them? In this video, I'm going to challenge you with real SAT-style math problems, starting easy, then getting harder. Pause the video, try each question, and see how many you can solve before I explain the answers. Let's test your skills. Welcome back to Mind Over Math, where we turn confusion into clarity and help you solve math faster. If you're preparing for the SAT, this is exactly the kind of practice you need. Because the SAT is not just about knowing math, it's about applying it under pressure. So let's begin. Warm-up question. Here is the first one. 2x plus 4 equals 12. Pause and solve it. Solution. Subtract 4 from both sides to get 2x equals 8. Then divide by 2 to get x equals 4. Now let's try something slightly more interesting. Question 2. 3x minus 9 equals 0. Pause and try. Solution. Add 9 to get 3x equals 9. Then divide to get x equals 3. Question 3. 5x plus 10 equals 35. Pause and solve. Solution. Subtract 10. 5x equals 25. Divide by 5. X equals 5. Now, we increase the difficulty. Question 4. 2x plus 5 equals x plus 11. Pause the video. Solution. Subtract x from both sides to get x plus 5 equals 11. Subtract 5. X equals 6. Question 5. 4x minus 7 equals 2x plus 9. Pause and try. Solution. Subtract 2x to get 2x minus 7 equals 9. Add 7. 2x equals 16. Divide to get x equals 8. Now, here's where most students make mistakes. Question 6. 6x plus 3 equals 3x plus 15. Pause. Solution. Subtract 3x to get 3x plus 3 equals 15. Subtract 3 to get 3x equals 12. Divide to get x equals 4. Notice the pattern. Move variables to one side and constants to the other. Let's try a fraction problem. Question 7x over 3 plus 2 equals 6. Pause. Solution. Subtract 2 to get x over 3 equals 4. Multiply by 3 to get x equals 12. Question 8x over 2 minus 5 equals 3. Pause. Solution. Add 5 to get x over 2 equals 8. Multiply to get x equals 16. Fractions are not hard, just follow the steps. Now let's try a word problem. A number increased by 7 is equal to 20. What is the number? Pause. Solution. Let x be the number. X plus 7 equals 20. Subtract 7. X equals 13. Question 10. Twice a number minus 4 equals 10. Pause. Solution. 2x minus 4 equals 10. Add 4 to get 2x equals 14. Divide. X equals 7. Now, we step into harder territory. Question 11. 3 times x plus 2 equals 15. Pause. Solution. Distribute to get 3x plus 6 equals 15. Subtract 6. 3x equals 9. Divide to get x equals 3. Question 12. 2 times x minus 3 plus 4 equals 10. Pause. Solution. Distribute to get 2x minus 6 plus 4 equals 10. Simplify to 2x minus 2 equals 10. Add 2. 2x equals 12. Divide. X equals 6. Here's a powerful SAT tip. If a question looks complicated, simplify it step by step. Don't panic. Most SAT problems are easier than they look. Final challenge. Question 13. 5 times x minus 2 equals 3x plus 4. Pause and solve. Solution. Distribute to get 5x minus 10 equals 3x plus 4. Subtract 3x. 2x minus 10 equals 4. Add 10. 2x equals 14. Divide. X equals 7. So how did you do? If you got most of these correct, you're on the right track. If not, that's okay. The goal is improvement, not perfection. In the next video, we'll go even deeper into SAT math strategies and advanced problem solving. Subscribe to Mind Over Math, and let's keep improving together. Extra practice questions for you. Try solving these on your own. I'll include solutions in the next video. Keep practicing, and you'll get better every day.